Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've always wanted to speak English fluently but don't know where to start, this video is just for you. Whether you're a student, a job seeker or just someone who wants to sound more confident, today I'm going to share simple practical tips to help you speak English fluently, even if you're just a beginner. Stop translating from your mother tongue into English. Most beginners think in Bengali or Hindi and then they try to translate. This slows you down and causes confusion. Instead, start thinking in small English phrases. For example, instead of thinking Aaj office ja raha hu, say I'm going to office today. Start with small thoughts like I'm hungry, it's raining, I want tea. Think in English all day. Fluency comes from speaking, not just learning grammar. Speak every day, even if your English is broken. That's okay. Talk to yourself while doing tasks. I'm brushing my teeth, now I'll cook rice, etc. This builds fluency in real life. No one becomes fluent by staying silent. Fluency is like fitness. Practice makes progress. Many learners memorize words like go, come, eat, but they don't know how to use them. So instead, learn phrases. For example, can I come in? I'll have some tea. Let's go for a walk. These are ready to use in real life. Phrases make you sound fluent instantly. Don't wait for someone to teach you. Use what you already have. Practice in front of the mirror. Pretend you're in a conversation. Apps like Duolingo or Hello English are great. You could also start a small English group with your friends or family. Speak 5 minutes daily in English. The more English you hear, the better you speak. Watch English movies, shows or YouTube videos with subtitles. Start with shows like Friends, or you could also watch channels like mine. Whatever you like. Listen actively, notice how people say common things, then repeat those phrases. Your fluency will improve without you even realizing it. Remember, fluency doesn't mean perfect, it means confident. You don't need a British or American accent, you just need to speak clearly and be understood. So don't wait, start today. Talk to yourself, think in English and keep practicing. Fluency will come, I promise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple English lessons every week. And tell me in the comments what's one English sentence you say every day. I'll reply with something else you can try.